Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Do really we need it? For some people, fewer than 8 glasses a day might be enough. Most healthy people can stay hydrated by drinking water and other fluids whenever they feel thirsty. Most common advice to drink at least 8 ounce 0.2 liters glasses of water each day. Magazine articles on the health and nutrition benefit of the drinking enough water can help people feel less thirsty or lose weight and even avoid getting cancers. But are these claims are true? We can see in the next slide. Kidneys can remove 20 to 28 liters of water per day, but they cannot excrete more than 0.8 to 10 liters per hour. Drinking more than this can be harmful. So, a human body needs to take in as much food fluid as it excretes or gets rid of each day. Some researchers shows that bodies excrete up to 10 cups, that is 2.3 liters of water a day. Through regular eating such as fruits, veggies and prepare soups all contains fluid, maybe 5 cups, that is 1 liter. So about 5 cups of fluid per day that a body needs to replace. Hence, replacement of fluid does not have to be water only. It can be fruits and vegetable. Fluids from the food, and it means that anything you drink count towards hydration, including milk, juice, soft drinks, or even coffee and tea. Health benefits of drinking waters are: water helps to lose weight and increase energy. Water helps kidney to remove waste from blood. Water helps to improve skin clear and glowing. Water helps to keep cells active and balance chemical process in the brain, helping to regulate stress and anxiety. Water helps to human body to do exercises and maintain normal body temperature. Water helps to cure chronic headaches. Water helps to keep the digestive system moving. Water helps to prevent dehydration. Water helps to carry nutrient and oxygen to cell. Water helps to reduce swelling and keeps body clean. Water helps to feel better with back pain, joint pain, even arthritis. Water helps to improve immune system. Disadvantage of too much consumption of water, or if water not consumed, then what will happen? Too much consumption of water can lead to fluid overload in the body, which leads to lower sodium level in the blood, called water intoxication, which further leads to nausea, vomiting, cramps, fatigue, other health problems such as seizures, coma, and even death. If water not consumed, then your urine may be darker hue and decrease output, which leads to feel dizziness. If water not consumed, then your body can sweat away the much fluid and feel thirsty. If water not consumed, then your mouth might dry out and skin also dry out. If water not consumed, then you may develop chronic headaches. So don't worry about counting glasses of water throughout the day. Instead, eat healthful diet and includes plenty of high contents water, fruits and vegetables. Drink when you are thirsty. If body indicates you must drink, don't drink less. Drink 10% extra, but not more. Otherwise, your sodium and potassium level gets disbalanced. That may develop swelling in the brain, which leads to person dying. Thank you for watching. So, see you again in my video. Hope you have enjoyed YouTube series. Bye bye.